Welcome to the Dr. Vet channel. Come to the livestock world. In this broadcast, we want to send you a solution for recovery, get health fast, and boost energy from BB Pharma. It's Energi 300 INJ. With a combination of 30% glucose to help provide instant energy, and special solvents and herbs in the product to help animals reduce fever and detoxify quickly. Therefore, the product has outstanding effects, such as providing energy for animals, reducing fever, nourishing and supporting the body, helps them recover fastest when tired, lethargic, not eating, using high doses of antibiotics, diarrhea, vomiting, during and after surgery, detoxification in acute and chronic cases, poisoning, cardiovascular collapse, hepatitis, prevention and treatment of acute anemia in cases of malnutrition. Used for animals in the following cases: for piglets and porkers, stunted growth, high fever, loss of appetite, fatigue, lack of exercise, use of antibiotics before vaccination. Use for sows when they are tired during pregnancy, giving birth, weak when nursing, or infected with fever. For male pigs, use after semen extraction, when feeling tired with signs of reduced enthusiasm and laziness in jumping. For buffaloes, cows, goats, sheep, when tired, giving little milk, giving birth, or having to use antibiotics. For dogs and cats, use intravenous infusion to treat diseases, inject with antibiotics to increase the effectiveness of the drug in treating diseases. For chickens, ducks, geese, quails, mixed with antibiotics for injection, reduces side effects of antibiotics, such as muscle loss, heel atrophy, feather loss, reduced laying, slow growth. When using, people use intramuscular or subcutaneous injection for animals at a dose of 1 milliliter per 5 to 15 kilograms body weight. For intravenous injection or slow intravenous infusion, dilute with distilled water in a 1-to-1 ratio. The above detailed information about the product for you is to refer to and choose. Thank you very much for your companionship. Goodbye and see you again.